Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 14th, 2019, and my little trailing snapdragons, also known as climbing snapdragons, and I believe it's pronounced asarina or asarina, are ready to be transplanted here. You can see the roots are coming out the bottom of the peat pellets and the sides. So I'm going to be transplanting these here. Now I could put these right into a hanging basket if I chose to, but I'm actually going to be putting them in little 4-inch containers here. And I have my little garden tools here, so I'm just going to start filling this up here. And I'm just using Miracle-Gro potting mix for this. Okay, tamp that down some. Now, I don't want to slow the growth down on these. They're doing so well. You can see this one here. It's just growing. It wants to grow. So, I'm transplanting them. Now, I'll probably take them from here then and put them in a hanging basket. I'm not sure if I'll have the room right now to put them in a hanging basket. So, I'm just using this right here. And I'll have links down in the description for the containers and these little garden tools here, because these are so nice for working and filling in around your little seedlings and plants and stuff. I use these a lot. Now, one thing I don't want to do, I do not want to go over top of this peat pellet here. So I'm going to let that stick out of the ground there. Now, this is going to sink down some when it's watered. Oopsies. Okay, so this one here is ready to be watered. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some water in the bottom of this container here. I'm going to give it some more here. I'm going to let this soak this up from the bottom. Now, I did an experiment this year with growing the seedlings in peat pellets and starting them off in seed starting mix. And honestly, I like the peat pellets better. One of the reasons is if your seedlings don't all come up at one time, you can just take the peat pellets out that are coming up and you can put them right under the light, and you can let the other ones continue to germinate in their enclosed container. Another reason is I like the growth better in the peat pellets. They seem to grow faster, and I'm very impressed with the root systems, so I'm going to be making a note to do these from now on in peat pellets. So I'm going to let this soak up until the top of the soil up here is nice and moist, and then I'm going to be putting them back under the lights. I still have the rest of these to transplant here, and I will come back when they're all done and I will show you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is February the 22nd, and my little climbing snapdragons here, I want to give you an update on them, how they're growing here. I did get the ones in the peat pellets transplanted here, and they're growing along just nicely for me. Now, I am still feeding these once a week with the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. You want to do a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and never feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on it. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. And you can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can get updates on how seedlings are doing, how different plants are growing, gardening tips. So you can check that out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!